Okay, just a quick note about our members cloud on YouTube. This is on my private server, and all YouTube members, well, you're already aware you do get a lot of patterns being that you're a member. But today we just uploaded our Art Deco Shells. It's a Art Deco kind of nautical, what have you. It's a very popular design. I'm offering it free to my members in various sizes. A base size 8 by 8 and a 20 by 20, a 24 by 24, a 32 by 32, as well as print at home options where the pattern will actually be tiled up on your printer at home. Or you can as well use the full size JPEGs to bring to your print shop, like Staples and FedEx, wherever you get your blueprints done. And that as well is 20 by 20, 24 by 24, 32 by whatever size you want. And that's open. If you have a special request, just let me know. And I'll make that size for you for blueprints or for tile printing at home. I hope you like the new patterns, and thank you for being a member. I just want to, thank you. Thank you for your support. And if you're not a member yet, be sure to join. We have plenty more in our cloud. I'll do a little quick preview. In our cloud for our YouTube members, we have the bonus patterns, bookend patterns, Christmas patterns, Halloween patterns, teardrops, and more will be added as time goes on. If you're not a member, really you should. For $2.99 a month, you get all this. The patterns are well worth it. And if you do have any requests as a member, let me know. I'll even share more. So I'm very open to sharing, as you all know. And right now I have quite a bit up, but I don't want to keep throwing more patterns up there. I will, but I want to know what you want. And with that, let me check the Christmas. Let me pause. I'm checking the Christmas folder. We actually have the complete Christmas book file. That's 55 patterns there alone. Then we have the 18-pack PDFs that include all the JPEGs, the PDFs, and all the above. You get all the file formats. These are all PDF print format. And then we have the lanterns. We have the Christmas tree lantern, a brand new pattern, and the poinsettia lantern. So that on top, and that's just the Christmas folder. And there's so much more, and more on the way. We have a few giveaways that were not collected, so we're thinking about putting them up in a random spin for a member to win, and that includes the hummingbird cutter, and I believe another book that wasn't claimed. I tried reaching out, but the winners just didn't get back. I've been holding on to this hummingbird cutter. I really want to give it away, so maybe I'll do that later this afternoon or tomorrow for Saturday the 6th. But again, check out all the files, members. You got the link in the members only. The communications, the posts for members that you only see them as a member, and that link will bring you to all the patterns. All right, and one more time, thanks again for your support. I really do appreciate it. Take care.